Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to Mike Bass's Weather Forecast channel. I hope everybody's having a great Saturday. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and enjoy your Saturday as well. Also, I want to thank all my subscribers I got so far. Thank you for supporting my channel. Hope I continue to grow my channel, get more and more subscribers and more views on my videos as I try to get more daily content out to everybody as quickly as possible. Alrighty, in today's video we're going to talk about the forecast model on the GFS, the National Weather Service radar across the lower 48. Also, we're going to take a look at the watches, warning, advisory maps. Also, the Storm Prediction Center for day 1 and day 2, mainly for this weekend. Okay, if you're a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing today. Love to have you. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and try to get them out to as many people as possible. The more you like these videos, the more and more YouTube will push these videos out to more and more people, so that way they can see my weather content and maybe they will get a chance to subscribe to my forecast channel. Okay, well, let's go ahead and dive on into the forecast. We're looking at the GFS model. We're starting off at 7 p.m. this evening. We see low pressure off the East Coast. We got a snowstorm pounding the upper Midwest and also the northern plains of the United States. Also, we got rain showers extending from near Missouri all the way down in Arkansas and portions of Mississippi. Also, more shower and mixed precipitation over California all the way over to a portion of New Mexico, Colorado, and Arizona. You should catch a little break over here in California. We're having a lot of flooding issues over here in California, and I hope everything be okay for you folks over there. Stay safe and well, and if you come across any flooded roadway, turn around, don't drown. Alright, let's move on forward with our forecast model. Let's go ahead and start 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. We got mixed precipitation possible over western North Carolina all the way into Virginia. We still have snow flying over Michigan all the way back over toward Wisconsin and also back over toward North Dakota. Showers and a few thunderstorms. We have some severe weather over the southeastern portion of the United States. You'll see that in a minute in the Storm Prediction Center outlook. We got more mixed precipitation over here flying from Colorado, New Mexico, all the way back into California and portions of off the shore of the Canadian Pacific Ocean area there. Low pressure that was over near the east coast of the United States will continue to push away from the area. Alrighty, let's go ahead and move forward in time. We're going to stop it off at 8 p.m. tomorrow evening. Still got some mixed precipitation, snow flying over the mid-Atlantic region, over Virginia, West Virginia. We still got showers extending over portions of the Carolinas. This here red area down here where there's low pressure, this is where the severe weather will be taking shape later tomorrow afternoon. Across Georgia, through Alabama, portion of Mississippi, and then it will shift down into Florida later on during the afternoon and evening hours on your Sunday. Okay, let's continue to move forward. I'm going to stop it off at 2 p.m. Monday. The low pressure system located off Canadian high pressure will build in across much of the United States. Also, we have another system coming in on the west coast. That will be a player later on in the forecast period. And also, we still have snow flying over the northeastern United States. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take it off till 8 a.m. Tuesday morning. We got low pressure wound up along the east coast of the northeastern United States. We got snow flying along the I-95 corridor all the way back into New York State, portion of the mountain of West Virginia. A little bit down here in western North Carolina and East Tennessee may see a few snowflakes flying as well. Also, we got more snow flying up here in Maine, all southeast Canada, around Toronto, Canada, and up toward Ontario, Canada as well. Over here toward Maine, you'll get in on the action as we continue to go forward. As we move to 2 p.m. in the afternoon, if the GFS is correct, you'll see a big wallop of snow along the I-95 corridor in the northeast. This will be your biggest snow of the season so far this winter season. Still have dry conditions across the south. Still have some mixed precipitation, snow in the mountains of western North Carolina and also back into Kentucky. Also, we got showers, maybe a few thunderstorm developing over Texas. We got that other system that I was talking about moving in later in the forecast period, affecting California, bringing more rain and mountain snow to that region as well. All right, as we continue to go forward, we're on 8 a.m. Wednesday. The low pressure system slowly lifting off to the northeast, still bringing copious amount of snow across the northeastern United States. Still cold and dry across the south and southeastern U.S. Also, we have here continue to pummel the area with more rain and snow in that vicinity. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the National Weather Service radar. We're looking at a pretty quiet condition across much of the East Coast, except right over around the Boston metro area with a little bit of rain falling in your vicinity. Also, we have more showers and thunderstorm development along the southern portion of the United States. Also, we have mixed precipitation, snow flying from near Iowa all the way up into Minnesota. Also over north toward North Dakota. Also, we have more precipitation flying over a portion of the western United States, over California, back toward Colorado. Also back over toward Washington State and Montana. Alright, let's take a look at the watches, warning, and advisory map across the lower 48. We have mixed winter weather advisory for portion of West Virginia all the way down in the western North Carolina mountains. Expect maybe up to an inch of snow in this area here, with maybe a tenth of an inch of ice expected. Same area, same for you guys here around the Illinois and Ohio region. Also, we have more winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings for Montana and portion of Wisconsin. We have blizzard warnings over all of North Dakota and western Minnesota. Also portions of Montana. We had blizzard warning, winter storm warning, winter weather advisories in effect for y'all region. Winter storm warning for portions of Colorado and Utah, portion and the mountains of California. Flood watches still in effect for California. A little pocket of wind advisory for Southern California. Also over here in New Mexico. Over here to Texas, high wind warnings over here in New Mexico as well. And also we have a few avalanche warnings here, and also some winter storm warnings over California. Alright, now let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for day 1. That is today. The lighter green is marginal risk, darker green is marginal risk. Well, lighter green is just general thunderstorm, marginal risk for the darker green is slight risk for the yellow. We have some general thunderstorms out west over California, from Nevada, also over to Colorado, New Mexico, and Arizona as well. Okay, if you're in the slight risk, this includes Little Rock, Arkansas, Fort Smith, Arkansas, North Little Rock, Arkansas, Pine Bluff, Arkansas, and Conway, Arkansas. The marginal risk, this includes Dallas, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Tuscaloosa, Oklahoma, Arlington, Texas, and Plano, Texas. Okay, let's take a look at tornado probability, 2%. And the areas included Dallas, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and, sorry guys, Garland, Texas, and Irving, Texas. Okay, let's take a look at the wind probability. We got 5%. Same areas that I just called out. Y'all in the... And also we got a 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow slashed area, 15% higher chance for hail. Same significant severe weather would be Pine Bluff, Arkansas, Hot Springs, Arkansas, Texarkana, Texas, Texarkana, Arkansas, Benton, Arkansas, 15%, Little Rock, Arkansas, Fort Smith, Arkansas, North Little Rock, Arkansas, Pine Bluff, Arkansas, and Conway, Arkansas. And the 5% is Dallas, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Tuscaloosa, Oklahoma, Arlington, Texas, and Plano. Okay, still have general thunderstorms over here from North Texas all the way back over to California. General thunderstorms over South Carolina, the Outer Banks of North Carolina, Southeast North Carolina as well, Western North Carolina mountains, portion there too, all the way back over to portion of southeast Arkansas and down in Louisiana, portion of Florida. Marginal risk in the darker green, yellow, is a slight risk. Alright, the slight risk area, this includes Montgomery, Alabama, Mobile, Alabama, Columbus, Georgia, Jackson, Mississippi, Tallahassee, Florida. Marginal risk, Jacksonville, Florida, New Orleans, Louisiana, Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Alabama, and Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Alrighty, the tornado probability for this area will be at 2% in the green, 5% in the brown, 2%. This includes Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Alabama, Tuscaloosa, Tallahassee, Florida, Savannah, Georgia, and Sandy Springs, Georgia. The 5% is Montgomery, Alabama, Mobile, Alabama, Columbus, Georgia, Albany, Georgia, and Dalton, Alabama. Alrighty, let's take a look at the wind probability. 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow, and pretty much the same areas what I call that the tornado risk. You still at the 5% include Jacksonville, Florida, New Orleans, Louisiana, Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Alabama, Baton Rouge, Louisiana. 15% in Montgomery, Alabama, Mobile, Alabama, Columbus, Georgia, Jackson, Mississippi, and Tallahassee, Florida. And let's take a look at the hail probability. We got 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow, and a slashed area a little bit higher chance. The significant severe weather will be Mobile, Alabama, Gulfport, Mississippi, Pensacola, Florida, Hattiesburg, Mississippi, Biloxi, Mississippi. 15% is Montgomery, Alabama, Mobile, Alabama, Columbus, Georgia, Jackson, Mississippi, and Tallahassee, Florida. And the 5% is Jacksonville, Florida, New Orleans, Louisiana, Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Alabama, and Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Alrighty, well that covers all our severe weather perspective, and also take a look at the snowstorm that's going to unfold tomorrow and into much of this week across the northeastern United States, and the flooding across California. I hope everybody has a great day, because enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got. And like I said, consider subscribing to my channel. Love to have you on board, and we will catch you back in the next one.